Yo, what's going on, nerds? It's your boy Grizz with another video. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do background music in your TikTok live streams. First thing you want to do is you want to come down here, open up Chrome, find music or Spotify, whatever you want to use to listen to your music. I'm gonna play the music. Once you play the music, I'm gonna come over here to sound settings, open up sound settings. So click the speaker icon, right click the speaker icon, go to sound settings, all the way down to advanced sound options. Look for the app that you're listening to music from. The top box should be how you're listening to the music, headphones or whatever the situation is. Me, I have a Wavelength 3 microphone, so I can pick music, but for the sake of this video, we'll do headphones. And then you'll click audio settings. You'll have to hit the plus sign by audio and make sure that your audio settings is set to headphones. You'll know that the sound is working by the meters going up and down. Red means it's too high, yellow is okay, and green is just right. But that is how you add sound to your TikTok live broadcast. If you guys have any other issues, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for all your support, and I'll holler at y'all next video. Peace. This shit is working.